By the way, you have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
Yeah.
One new notification. From Alexa News. From Fox, criticism of President Trump's January 6th pardons. Do you want to hear more about this?
No.
No thanks. No thank you. Hope this works. It's not even better.
Highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the lower 30s. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. For additional weather information, visit our website at weather.gov/Memphis.
It's starting. Blend that thing up. It's a test. Yeah, boy. It's a test.
Designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of a hazard. Signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on KIH 53 Bluegill only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties in Mississippi: Alcorn, Benton, Chickasaw, Itawamba, Lee, Monroe, Pond Hilltop, Hardeman, Hardin, and McNary. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR.